you off, lay your gift to it all. Sweet on me when I don't blow. I can break you off, lay your gift to it all. Lord, nothing at all. Lord, nothing at all. I can break you off, lay your gift to it all. Sweet on me when I don't blow. I can break you off, lay your gift to it all. Lord, nothing at all. Lord, nothing at all. Lately I ain't got no time. You can change my mind. What you need ain't what you like. Lately I ain't got no time. You can change my mind. What you need ain't what you like. I could be paranoid. The observation before me, you had all them.
Hey guys, my name is Fatle Dlamini and welcome to my channel. If you're a new subscriber, you're so very welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. So this is a Sunday reset, and I feel so energetic because I slept. I'm the type of person that I'm always on the move, I'm always doing something, and even when I don't need to wake up early, I find myself waking up early, then I'm doing something, then I want to cook, then I want to clean, then I'm thinking about something else to do, what's going to happen in the coming week. My mind is always moving, my body's always moving, so I really never have time to rest. So I am on leave as I'm recording this, so really taking in the opportunity to just rest and give back to my body, rejuvenate, and like really feed into myself. So that's the video that we have today. I'll just be showing you throughout the day what I'll be doing this Sunday. Really want to have a bit of self-care, so that's what we're going to be doing today. I hope that you enjoy the episode. Do let me know in the comment section if you are enjoying these type of videos. And what's most important, don't forget to tell a friend that Uswatle has a channel, and like, comment and subscribe. I hope that you enjoy it and have a good one.
I can break you off, lay your gift to it all. Sweet on me when I don't blow. I can break you off, lay your gift to it all. Lord, nothing at all. Lord, nothing at all. I can break you off, lay your gift to it all. Sweet on me when I don't blow.
So I'm gonna put my mask on, done showering and all of those nice stuff. I have a lot of things to cook. I have to make breakfast. I bought intlama, like dough, because I thought I wasn't going to leave the house, but I have to step out, but we'll just have to see. But let's see how ujekawami goes. I am not I just haven't taught myself that skill, but slowly I'm learning like traditional food, slowly but surely. Let me just move here.
Lord, nothing at all. Lord, nothing at all. I can break you off, lay your gift to it all. Sweet on me when I don't blow.
I'm slowly teaching myself traditional food, but right now I'm sticking to what I know. But let's see how Ujeko goes. So while we wait for this mask to do what it needs to do, I'm going to start the food. Guys, hey. I was buying intlama and they had it like advertised. Checkers. Making it jumbo. Bored. Just ran out of sunlight. I added some green pepper for the beef stew and some onions. Like the packaging for this was see-through, like it's like pre-made dough. Makuinya itombo like. Okay, they gave me a, what's this? Guess I can use it as a hand cream. Like, what's happening? some strawberries. I thought I was going to make pancakes, but these are pancake ingredients. I added some eggs and vanilla essence. Let me just make the stew, start the stew, so that I can head on out and get the dombolo that I was supposed to make myself.
I can break you off, lay your bitch do it all. Sweet on me when I don't go. I can break you off, lay your bitch do it all. Lord, nothing at all. Lord, nothing at all. I can break you off, lay your bitch do it all. Sweet on me when I don't go. I can break you off, lay your bitch do it all. Lord, nothing at all. Lord, nothing at all. Lately I ain't got no time. You can't change my mind. What you need ain't what you like. Lately I ain't got no time. You can't change my mind. What you need ain't what you like. I could be paranoid. The observation before me, you had all them boys. I'm just the one you've been stalking. Yeah, I saw it soon as I walked in. I can break you off, lay your bitch do it all. Sweet on me when I don't go. I can break you off, lay your bitch do it all. Lord, nothing at all. Lord, nothing at all. I can break you off, lay your bitch do it all. Sweet on me when I don't go.
So basically the way that I make this beans curry, you saw that the base of the curry is the meat. So instead of putting stock before the beans, I put the beans in there with its water, and that will like thicken it with the starch that's coming from the beans. And then once it's boiled and like come together, then I'll put some stock to thicken it more and and for flavor as well. But it's pretty quick. I had to soak the beans. I think I soaked them for too long, but it's fine because it meant a shorter boiling time period. But yeah, that's basically the meal. Then we'll have some vegetables. I'll just go and get the steamed bread or uchepe. So let's do that.
I can break you off, lay your bitch do it all. Sweet on me when I don't.
I'm just going to quickly step out. I'll be back. My food is like almost ready. I think I just need rocks, and like I said, the steamed bread. Let's go.
Do it all. Lord, nothing at all. Lord, nothing at all. Lately I ain't got no time. You can't change my mind. What you need ain't what you like. Lately I ain't got no time. You can't change my mind. What you need ain't what you like. I could be paranoid. The observation before me, you had all them boys. I'm just the one you've been stalking. Yeah, I saw it soon as I walked in. I can break you off, lay your bitch do it all. Sweet on me when I don't go. I can break you off, lay your bitch do it all. Lord, nothing at all. Lord, nothing at all. I can break you off, lay your bitch do it all. Sweet on me when I don't go. I can break you off, lay your bitch do it all. Lord, nothing at all. Lord, nothing at all. I can break you off, lay your bitch do
so we've come to the end of the vlog and definitely doing my reflections. And basically, I just think, you know, friendships are so important. And I'm such a recluse, and I've never really truly understood the power that friendships have in a person's life. And also, in addition to that, the power of actually speaking to people and not processing things by yourself. I think it's such a disadvantage that I put myself in, because just having people help you interpret things and help you see things differently is just so important. Like, I really appreciate the people in my life, the friends in my life who just help me see things differently. We can be our own worst critics, and it's just a negative and very heavy burden to carry when you're just navigating life all by yourself, and you just don't utilize the people around you to help you process certain things. So really appreciate a visit from my friend. Really appreciate it. I just saw things differently, and it's like, oh my god, you're so right, oh my god, you're so right. And it's not a matter of people just telling you what you want to hear. It's also like really important for people to hold you accountable for the decisions that you make, and help you see when you're wrong. So I'm definitely not saying that it's people who are just in an echo chamber. I think I've used that concept before from the To My Sisters podcast. They were talking about that. So that's not what I'm referring to say like you just have yes men and people who are going to tell you what you want to hear. But really, just I so appreciate. I even said it to him that, like, I'm so glad you came. I did not know how much I needed this conversation, and really appreciate it. So thanks, shout out to you. But yeah, I really had a good day, and I just hope that things continue to come together for the rest of the week, and that I really just utilize the time to rest and continue to give back to myself, so that I can go back to work energized, ready to, you know, give 150% into the things that I have to do. But thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for the support. I really appreciate it. The channel is growing, and our manager is also very happy and very excited, and that's my mother, the manager of this channel. So we're all very happy and we're pushing. So thank you so much. If you're not subscribed, please do subscribe, and I encourage you to watch the videos to the end. But enough of the ranting. I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Have a good one, have a blessed one, and I really appreciate you. One more time, I really appreciate you. Bye.